guru.in videos. Here we are telling about how to add CSS code, I mean stylish code into Blogger's template. Okay, then let's go. Anyone open the browser. Here we are using Google Chrome browser. Type web address blogger.com. Blogger. After sign in with your username, email ID and password, the Blogger homepage will be displayed just like this. So from left side bar menu, click on theme. Then by clicking the three dots, back up your present template. It will be download. After that, click the three dots again. Then edit HTML. Click the edit HTML, and then your present blog's HTML page will be displayed. After that, in your system, Control F, press the Control F button. Then type the skin tag. Here I am using in the phone, so there is no Control F button. That's why I am scrolling for skin button. Here is the skin button. This is the skin tag. Yes, this is the skin. It's called skin tag. In your PC, Control F, B skin. Type the B skin. So after that, you can paste the any CSS code. It's called also stylish code. You can paste above the skin tag here. After the pasting, click the three dots, then hit the save button. That's it. Thank you for watching.